I've been at Hill Machinery 36 years. This is a family I grew up with. I started when I was 17. When I started, I was actually sweeping the floor. Today, I'm one of the plant foremen. So there's always room to grow and advance in this company.
Controls engineers, robotic engineers, and mechanical designers are always something that we're looking for. We have journeyman programs for assemblers, ongoing education in the controls and robotics. There's definitely a way to make further education part of your employment here.
We do offer reimbursement if you would like to proceed back to college or continue with college. They're willing to help you out in any way they can.
Been here a long time. I wish I had started here when I was younger. Everybody helps each other out. It's a team effort, from top to bottom. As long as we work hard, everybody's going to succeed here. That's how it's always been. It's family oriented, so if you have stuff outside the shop, it's flexible.
We're not treated as numbers, we're treated like a person. If an emergency comes up, it's family first.
We take pride in what we do. Can't fix it, we'll make it, we'll build it. We like to build these things to the highest standard, where our competitors, they can't touch us. They probably don't have the experience. That comes from people liking it here. They like the culture, they're gonna stay, and that sets us apart. We aren't the biggest, but I think we're the best.